Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant shares important update on 29 June 2020. The Chief Minister informed about approval of next installment for DSS and Griha Aadhaar that will provide relief to more than 2,65,000 beneficiaries in the state. Here's what Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant posted. Even under severe economic stress due to COVID-19 pandemic, we continue to work for the welfare of our people, especially for the needy. I have approved release of next installment for DSSS and Griha Aadhaar that will provide relief to more than 2,65,000 beneficiaries' families in the state. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant also chaired a meet with the officials of Education Department on Monday at Secretariat. The decisions taken during the meet are as follows. A committee has been formed for ascertain the vertical mobility of vocational courses comprising of DOE, DTE, DHE. The RRs for government jobs where changes can be made to accommodate the vocational students will be examined. Additional divisions in excess of that permitted in the vocational scheme will not be allowed. The school running more than 3 vocational courses will not be permitted to run the extra courses. The redistribution amongst the SHGs supplying MGM so that parity is maintained in respect of number of students. Aided primary schools will be covered under the maintenance grants instead of existing scheme of Rs 400 per child per month. Pre-primary school will be regulated as per the Goa School Education Act and rules. The remuneration of the part-time instructors under SSA has been enhanced to Rs 22,000 as compared to Rs 16,000 per month. The remuneration of vocational teachers enhanced to Rs 25,000. The vocational teachers in aided schools will be known only as contract basis vocational teachers only. The nomenclature of the full-time contract basis, double part-time and single part-time, etc. has been removed. The remuneration of the lecture basis teachers teaching in government high schools and government higher secondary schools for the past 5 years has been enhanced to Rs 25,000. The Chief Minister's Office on 29 June 2020 also shared a post on social media informing about distribution of 400 kits in sealed areas in Ganganagar, Mapsa. Here's the post shared by Goa Chief Minister's Office. The state administration has distributed 400 kits consisting of onion, potato, tomato, green chilies, bhindi, sugar, cooking oil, tea powder, atta, rava, salt, chili powder and haldi powder to all households in sealed areas in Ganganagar, Mapsa. Another 200 kits consisting of rice and dal have been provided to the needy people. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and never miss any update.